How much horsepower are you doing right
it's
now?
about 900 engine horsepower.
900?
Yeah. So it's
big difference. Hey, I know this car. How are you?
Good. How you keeping?
Good. Any new work done to this thing?
I did 8-rip conversion over the winter, so my belt's not slipping anymore. I'm getting full boost now.
Full boost. How many pounds of boost this time?
Well, it's up to 18 and a half.
18 and a half?
Had a dyno down at Authentic.
Yeah.
This was the last car.
Authentic's still around, eh?
Well, Glenn still owns the shop.
Yeah.
And he's trying to sell it.
Okay.
And he just sold his dyno. This was the last car he just dyno tuned.
Get out of here. This one?
Yep.
So how much horsepower are you doing right
it's
now?
about 900 engine horsepower.
900?
Yeah. So it's
big difference when you get it tuned, eh?
Oh yeah. It's pretty wild now.
Nice.
I have to go for a ride someday with me.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah.
What you just volunteered for this and ride around?
Oh yeah, brings back memories.
Yeah. So I got the full belt on it now, so that helps a lot too.
900 horsepower.
Yep.
Anything else you did to the rear end or anything like that?
What is it? Our McLeod RXT 1200 clutch in it, so good for 1200 horse.
Yeah.
So the stock dual disc was slipping, so So now I got full horsepower to the wheel.
There you go. You got your new rims too, eh?
Yeah, I picked up these set of rims, a set of foose rims, so change it up a little bit.
Yeah. Can't wait to hear it rip down the road.
Oh yeah, right on. Yeah, right. Catch you later, buddy.
Catch you later.